Rosario Agentes. I'm the founder and CEO of Latino Education and Training Institute, better known as LETI. We currently have 20 different services. We have 10 services focused in education. We have 7 programs focused in health, and we have 5 in basic needs. Latino Education and Training Institute use these funds to provide financial service to the Latino community. Unfortunately, that was not a service that the Latino Education and Training Institute could have done it without this funding. These funds has allowed us to work closely with the Snohomish County and with the Department of Commerce. 2024 is the first year that we began working with the Department of Commerce, and it has been very good surprise, because we were afraid that in a small organization, dealing with such a large department, how we were going to have the access to them. But I have to say that every employee that we dealt with has been very supportive, very willing to handhold what the process were. And it's Snohomish County more close to us. The fact that our program getting integrated with the same program that other organizations have within the financial coaching, I think it's building a stronger community of providers, and not to say the communities who receive the benefits directly are the big winners, but also the nonprofit.
My name is Gina Martinez, and I'm the board chair of Latino Civic Alliance. Latino Civic Alliance is a statewide organization. We actually are a civil rights organization that was formed in 2005, and we provide advocacy throughout the state of Washington. And we actually have offices in Burien, our headquarters, and also in Everett, Spokane, Moses Lake, and Quincy, Washington. The funding was specifically to provide funding to our family youth violence intervention program services. We provide wraparound services, so it actually provides funding for case managers that work directly with a youth and parent coaches that work directly with parents. Both sides work together to make sure that the family is receiving the services that they need. Right now, the funding is helping provide services to families. The goal is to keep families together. That's what we want. We want to prevent, youth feeling that they don't have the tools or ability to stay away from the violence out in the community right now. The gang culture is very prominent in Washington State. We know that criminal enterprises are very prominent in Washington State. And so we want to make sure that our intervention plan is to provide youth some tools in the vision that they don't have to follow that path. Most importantly, for parents, we believe that parents should have the resources and the parenting tools to be able to lead their families. If we hadn't received these funds, the Latino community in Spokane and Snohomish County would not be able to receive the specific family intervention wraparound services that we provide that's unique to the Latino community. We incorporate not just the wraparound and trauma-informed program services, but we also incorporate in our own curriculum indigenous principles into our work, because we believe this is culturally relevant to Latinos, and we want to make sure that the services we provide are relevant to the community. We find working with State of Washington, Department of Commerce, and other entities has been good. One of the things that I really advocated for was to make sure that LCA and other community organizations receive funding as soon as we submit the invoicing. So I know that the state has really understood that in the past, the reimbursements were taking too long. So what I have seen with the Department of Commerce, that they've listened and really have worked really hard to make sure that when invoices are submitted, that we get paid, within the 30-day window. So that really helps us sustain our operations. So that's important.
My name is Angie Neuhaus. I'm the Executive Director and co-founder here at Centro Cultural Mexicano. The funding we received for the CRP program has been incredible for our organization to help us better serve our communities. We here at Centro Cultural Mexicano, we really focus on listening to the needs of our community, and we do that through a lot of one-on-one coordination and contact. And what we heard from our communities over time was a need for financial coaching, information, and education. And so this funding allowed us to put together a program that is very unique. It is providing financial coaching in Spanish for our communities. It's an 8-week course that lets us delve deep into everything from planning for retirement, to learning how to make investments, to learning how to budget and save money. All through these weeks, our community members also get one-on-one time with professionals who sit down with them and look at their unique situation, their unique needs, and help them really plan out their futures.
So my name is Shahbaz Yusuf, and I am a program manager here at Centro Cultural Mexicano, working on our financial coaching and education program. So there would be a really big impact. Just people wouldn't be able to grow and to be secure. Everybody wants to be secure. That's what's best for communities long term, is feeling comfortable, feeling like they can grow, that there is a path for them to get educated, to save money, to just build the future that they deserve.
Well, the Department of Commerce has been wonderful. We have worked with them on many different types of programs. And what I really appreciate about this program is that we're in a partnership that recognizes the unique position that our organization holds within the community. And that's a position of trust. So when we have a space like the one that we have here, and we have built trust with our community members, it means that we can be that bridge between our community and government. It means that we can help our community members to access all of the resources and opportunities that are available to them. Very often, there are resources that exist, but the outreach isn't there, or it's not in a language that is needed by the community.